Hi, Mr. Luke Southerton here. Today I'm going to show you how to do your name tag project. Just ignore those due dates for now. All the requirements are listed in Schoology. I'm on my teacher account, so your student account might look slightly different, but again, here's the assignment. The steps are listed right here. I'm just going to go one by one through these. I'm just going to put this over here so we can look at the steps while I do them. So first we're going to open Google Docs. I'm just going to create a new window here. I'm already logged into my Google account. I'll go here, create a Google Doc. I don't know if you know you can do this, but when you have these tabs up here, if you just click and drag, you can create a new window. So I'm going to make a blank doc. Again, so we open Google Docs. Now we're going to name it with the project name, year, your section, and your name. So an example, name tag projects 2020 6-1 Billy Bo Jenkins. I'll name it here. So name tag project 2020. Let's just pretend I'm in 6-2. Again, whatever your section is, put it there. Whatever your name is, put it here. Okay. Tells you to make the margins 0.5 inches. That's something you should know how to do in Google Docs. So I'm going to do File, and I believe it is Page Setup. I'll change my margins to 0.5 inches. Okay. So I made the margins 0.5 inches. I'm going to write my name, make the font different, and make the size pretty big. So say Lucas Southerton. I'm going to have to highlight this, and I want to make the font something more interesting. Maybe I'll just go with this. Doesn't matter what you use. I'm going to make this size a little bit bigger. I like that. Okay. See what else I need to do. Create a bulleted list. Make the font size a little smaller than before. Say 2 things about yourself. So, I'm just going to hit enter. I'm going to make the font size a little bit smaller. Don't think it really matters. Just whatever looks good. Here's how I make a bulleted list. That's something I think you should know how to do. If you want a numbered list, you'd go here, bulleted list here. I'm going to say 2 things about myself. How about teacher at Mifflinburg Middle School. Let's say tech ed teacher at Mifflinburg Middle School. Builder of cool stuff. Again, whatever you want. I just want to see that you can create a bulleted list. You don't have to do this, but this is bothering me. I want this text to line up. Oops. Ignore that. Just pretend I didn't even do that. Builder of cool stuff. Okay. I'm actually going to make that bulleted list a little bit smaller. There we go. I like that. Okay. Let's see what else I need to do. Use your webcam to take a picture of yourself, then copy and paste the image into Google Docs. Okay, this is a little tricky because I'm on my laptop, you're going to be on your Chromebooks. I don't know if it's going to be the same, but I imagine if you just go down here and search for webcam, something will pop up. Okay, camera popped up here. Here's my webcam. I'm going to go ahead and smile for the camera. Okay. Let's see here. So we'll click on this. I'm just gonna right click, copy, and now to paste anything in Google Docs you can just do Control V. So I'm gonna hit Control on the keyboard, V on the keyboard, and there it is. I pasted it. Let's go see what the requirements are. I'm just gonna close out of my webcam. Crop the image so that it's pretty much square, okay? So I'm going to click on the image, and this is your crop symbol. And then you will drag these over so again it's pretty much square. Oops. I'm going to hit Control Z. Control Z is undo. Control Z. Let's try that again. There we go. So I want it to be pretty much square. That looks pretty much square. And I'll hit Enter. Okay. Next. Drag the image to size it so that it's about 2 inches tall and wide. So I'm just going to drag this. So again, it's about 2 inches. Let's see, right there's 3.5, 4.5, 5.5 would be 2 inches. Again, I'm just kind of using that ruler up there. Okay, so that's about 2 inches there. Again, right there's 3.5 to 4.5 to 5.5, but that's about 2 inches. Wrap the text, then move the image to the top right of the document. So to wrap the text, you see this down here? I want to wrap text. Now the text will wrap around, and I can just click and drag it. I'm going to drag it to the far right. I like that. I think I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so it fits on one line. There we go. I like that. And what else do I need to do? Make sure that anybody at Mifflinburg Area Middle School can comment, because when you submit this, I might want to comment. So you're going to have to go to Share. Right now it's only you or whoever has it can see it. And I'm going to change, right now it's restricted, I'm going to click here. And right now, Mifflinburg Area School District, anyone in this group with the link can view. I want to change it so that anyone can comment. And I'm going to copy this link because I'm going to need that later. Copy link. And I'm done. And I'm pretty much done. So, just see what else I need to do. So copy the link and submit it via Schoology using the link. So anyways, I'm going to go back to Schoology. I can't submit it because I'm the teacher, but hopefully there'll be a place where you can click submit and then you'll just paste the link in. Anyway, that's how you do that assignment. If you have any questions, you can just ask. Okay, thanks. Now I'm trying to figure out how to end my video.